Hello everybody, today I will be talking about my Cospaces. Today I will be showing you two of my shapes. One is from Tinkercad and one is from Cospaces. I have a cylinder and a dodecahedron. So let's dive in. So the diameter is 2.5. The radius is 1.5 and the height is 17.75. To get the area of a cylinder, you have to do 1.25 times 1.25 or 1.25 to the power of 2. And when you get 1.25 times 1.25, then you take that answer and multiply it by pi. Then, if you do that all, then you get 4.91. Now, to get the volume, you have to do 4.91, which is the area of the top plate, times 17.75, which is the height. This is because 17.75 is the height, and you have to do the 4.91, the area, and take it down. Take pieces of it down so that you have it. Then everything together is 87.2 centimeters or units to the third. Yeah. Then to get the surface area, which is kind of difficult, you do 2 times pi times 1.25 times 17.75 plus 2 times pi times 1.25 times, oh no, that's incorrect. Then you do 1.25 times 1.25 times 2 pi, which is equal to, altogether that thing is equal to 149.23. That is equal to the surface area. Now let's head in to the next shape, the dodecahedron. I don't have the measures for it because it's in an imported file, but I made my own ones, which are way more complicated than the ones I would have had. The side length is the only thing that we need, and the height. The side length is 1.19 and the height is 16.9. The area, to get the area, you have to do 1.19 times 1.19 or 1.19 to the power of 2 times 3 times 2 plus the square root of 3, which is altogether 15.9. This is, yeah. Now, the next one is the volume. The volume is equal to 15.9 times 16.9, which is equal to 268.71. This is because 15.9 is the area on the top. So you just have to do pieces of this 15.9, the area, down 16.9 times, like in the circle, which is all equal to together is equals to 268.71. In the surface area, I wasn't that sure what to do. I looked very much around, but I didn't find out what to do. But then I thought, well, everything there's like a rectangle on every side length. So I did only 1.19 times 16.9, because 1.19 is the side length, times 16.9, which is the height. So you do 1.19 times 16.9 times 2, because there's always a facing side, and do that 1.19 times 16.9 times 2 plus 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 15.9 times 2. I did this like this because 1.19 times 69 is times 2 is because there are 2 reflecting sides and there are 12 sides. So you just have to do 6 times if you want to do like that. So each side has a reflector side which reflects onto the other side, and it's the same thing. Then I did 15.9 times 2 because it is how do you say it? It is the top of it's the area and the other area on the bottom and the top, and you have to add that together to get that. And the final answer is 273.132. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my Cospaces reflection in Cospaces. Bye bye, and see you later.